Hello folks, today we are fitting new front brake pads to this 2009 Toyota Avensis. A low brake fluid level is one sign that brake pads might need replacing, and I will leave the cap off until we've put the brake pads in and the fluid level has risen back up. The caliper bolts are 13mm and we only need to remove the bottom one. Pushing the piston back into the caliper to make room for the new brake pads. Next we will blow out the old brake dust from the caliper and surrounding area, because brake dust is the biggest cause of squealing brakes. You can see the difference between the amount of material on the old brake pad and one of the new ones. And as usual, we are putting copper grease on the metal backing parts of the pads, which helps to eliminate brake squeal and other noises. The pad with the metal clip goes on the inside. And if you have any questions you would like to ask about this job, you can post them on our forum at diycarguide.com. Both sides done and putting the wheels back on, and by the way, the wheel nuts are 21mm. With the new brake pads fitted to both sides at the front, you can see the brake fluid level has risen up to the full mark. Thanks very much for watching folks, that's all for this time.